Oh my god, viewers, just look at this video! This is absolutely amazing. Today I've brought a brand new tool for you. Flova AI has officially launched Seedance 2.5, and as you can see, the video quality is absolutely outstanding. Just look at how amazing these animations are with the power of Seedance 2.5. So, without wasting any time, let me take you to Facebook. Here we have a channel called Stick Animation. If we talk about its content, this channel uploads Stickman-style animated videos. And if I show you its work, it's truly impressive. Many of its videos have received hundreds of thousands of views. I analyzed what makes this Stickman format go viral. The strong opening hook, fast-paced shots, smooth transitions, rising tension, and a satisfying payoff at the end. Okay viewers, now open the website, which is Flova AI. Viewers, this website is absolutely amazing because Flova AI 1.0 is a personal AI video agent partner. Today, we are going to create our complete video using this model along with Seedance 2.5, which is their latest video generation model. But before that, I want to take you to the skills section. I want to show you how many powerful and unlimited skills are available inside Flova AI. Whether you want to create a reference to video, product promo video, script to video, short film, narrative video, visual shots, epic shots, or anything else, you can generate it directly from here. If you have a brand and want to create promotional videos, aesthetic videos, 3D shots, 2D animations, or any other type of content, everything is available inside the skills section. The skills and features provided by Flova AI are incredibly powerful and versatile. You get access to everything in just one click. This is truly amazing. Okay viewers, I'm going to select a skill of my choice. I'll choose a narrative video or short film style. In this case, I'm selecting the narrative skill for creating a short film. As soon as I select the skill, I'll go to the model option. After opening the model section, I'll choose Seedance 2.5 because it is their latest model and it is becoming extremely popular right now. The results from this model are absolutely incredible, and you'll see that for yourself in a moment. Once I select Seedance 2.5, I already have a script and an idea prepared. I'll simply provide that script to the AI. In the script, I have already explained the characters, the scenes, how many scenes need to be generated, and what should happen in each scene. After entering all of this information, I'll simply click on the Generate button. As soon as I click Generate, the AI starts working immediately. Okay, viewers, as you can see, the process has started. The first thing it does is prepare the skill workflow. It creates a complete storyboard and explains how the video should be structured from start to finish. After waiting for a short time, look at this result, viewers. My complete storyboard is now ready. The system keeps asking me whether the script is ready to be locked for production. It also gives me the option to make any changes if I want. However, I don't need to make any changes, so I'll simply confirm it and send it forward. As soon as I send it, the next stage of production begins. Now the AI analyzes the entire production brief and automatically divides it into 3 sections: key elements, shots, and audio layer. First, it prepares the key elements. Then, using those key elements, it creates the shots and generates the video scenes. Finally, it prepares the audio layer, including background music and any other audio that may be needed. So viewers, stay with me because I'm going to show you the complete workflow, and in the end, we'll place everything directly into the timeline. First, I'll confirm the key elements section by clicking the Create option. As soon as I confirm it, the AI starts generating the key elements. You can see that it has already started working on them. After waiting for a short time, look at this result, viewers. The entire brief has been organized perfectly. It has analyzed the story requirements, the desired style, the sound direction, and even the audio requirements. Now the generation process begins for the key elements. After another short wait, look at this result. All of my key elements are now ready. The Stickman character is included, a girl character has been added, the gym-related elements are there, and every important detail mentioned in the story concept has been successfully included. Now that our key elements are ready, let me show you another useful feature. If any element is not generated the way you want, you can easily modify it or recreate it. For example, I selected this apartment element and entered a custom prompt. Please change the background according to my Stickman animation style. Then I clicked Enter. You also have a regenerate option. If you want a new variation of an element, simply click Regenerate, and the AI will create a fresh version automatically. After a few moments, look at the results. My regenerated version is ready, and the customized version is ready as well. The AI has generated multiple variations for me, giving me more flexibility to create the perfect project. Okay, viewers, after the key elements are complete, our next step is creating the shots. Now I'll simply instruct the AI to convert all of these key elements into shots. The system automatically takes every element and transforms it into video scenes. As you can see, the animation generation process has already started. All of the video shots are being created automatically right in front of us. The AI is generating everything dynamically using the power of Seedance 2.5. All you need to do is wait patiently for a few moments and look at this result, viewers. All of my video scenes are now ready. Okay, viewers, if you don't like any shot, you can easily regenerate it or customize it with your own prompt. For example, I selected this shot where my Stickman looks emotional and is crying. I want to change this scene and make my Stickman happy instead. So, in the edit shot section, I simply enter a prompt like, make the Stickman happy instead of emotional, and then click generate. After a few moments, look at the result. The new version is ready, and now the Stickman is happy instead of sad. So if you don't like any shot, just click on it, add your own prompt, and regenerate it exactly the way you want. This feature is really amazing. This is absolutely amazing. At this point, 2 major steps have already been completed. The key elements are ready, and the shots are also ready. Now it's time for the audio layer. I'll simply tell the AI to prepare the audio layer so that the project can move to the final timeline stage. Viewers, the workflow here is extremely fast because Flova AI works incredibly quickly. It doesn't stop or slow down. With just one click, it prepares everything automatically. As you can see from the results in front of you, it continues generating every stage one by one with a single click. And now, as you can see, it has started preparing the audio layer as well. Again, we just need a little patience and a short wait. And look at this result, viewers. The key elements, shots, and audio layer are all completely ready. At this stage, more than half of our work is done. In fact, almost the entire project is complete. Now, the only thing left is the timeline and exporting the final video. The great thing is that you do not need to move to any other tool because Flova AI already includes a built-in timeline editor where we can add all of our generated videos and audio layers together. So let's move on to the timeline and complete our final animation project. Okay, viewers, now I'll simply go to the timeline. After opening the timeline, I'll simply type a prompt here telling the AI to automatically add all of my generated shorts and everything I have prepared into one complete timeline. You can also edit everything manually on the timeline. It's not necessary to rely only on Flow AI or its AI agent. You can trim clips, delete videos, adjust the volume, remove voiceovers, and make any changes you want. You can also add or remove scenes according to your own preferences. So you have complete control over your project, which is really amazing. And now my complete video is ready right in front of you. This is the final result. I'll simply go to the export option and click on export video to export my final video. And now, look at this. My video is finally ready. If we talk about the pricing, there is currently a limited time offer available, and you also get a 100% bonus credit. Seedance 2.5 on Flova starts from just 0.025 per second, making it an affordable option for AI video creation. Video is sponsored by Flova. Check out Seedance 2.5 through my tracking link in the description and explore what you can create with it. Okay, viewers, I'll see you in the next video with a brand new idea. Goodbye.